Welcome to the LangChain tutorial. Today we are going to build a very simple weather AI agent using OpenAI. We are going to find the weather of Pokhara, a very beautiful city of Nepal, by using the OpenAI LangChain framework. So at first, to install LangChain, we can install it by pip or uv command. This u would give the updated LangChain package, and in case of Mac or Linux, you will go with pip3, right? So pip3 install u LangChain. In my requirements, I'm going to add these dependencies. The first one is LangChain. Other requirements will be LangChain OpenAI for the OpenAI integration of LangChain. I would also be using python.env to manage my env files. I had also created this .env file where you have to place the key. For example, I placed the OpenAI API key here. The beginners, where you can get this OpenAI API keys, you can navigate to platform openai.com, and here you can get your OpenAI API keys. I have generated the one for me. So after this, I'm going to open my project directory. I'm going to import the requests library. It is to get the data from the URL, and now I am also importing another file named load.env. This function is to load the env file, and I call load.env here. Now I will import create agent from LangChain. To do it from LangChain .agents import create agent. So from LangChain.tools, I will import the tool here. This tool would be used by this agent in our function. Now this tool is a decorator function, which we will be using to the getWeather function. Now getWeather, now this the function have a description which will return weather information of different places, let's say of different beautiful cities. Now I will make the function here, getWeather function here. So df getWeather, this function would accept a string, so city parameter would always receive the string value here. Now I'll make a response here. Response would be request.get from the URL. So the URL would be https wttr weather .in and then city in here. Now let's format it in a JSON1 format, so J1. Now this is, we have to return it using formatted string. Now I will return response. Now I'll return this file as it is, so return response.json. Now let's make an agent here. Agent will be a create agent, which I had imported above from LangChain. So agent will be our create agent, and I'll be giving here model. Let's say model is going to be our GPT-4, so GPT-4.1. Now I have to give the tools in here. So tools is going to be my getWeather. Tools is using this getWeather function. Now system, I have to give the prompt here. So system prompt will be let's use like this. So you are a helpful assistant who provides weather updates. Let's say weather updates. Now I will invoke this agent. So to invoke it, I will create a variable. Let's say response equals to agent invoke, and then I want to write messages key would receive the value. Let's say role equals to role would be the user role, and the content would be, let's say, what is the weather in Pokhara. Now we can put only this here, and we can print the response here. And I also want to print the message key of the response. Let's do it here, messages, and I want to see the last message, let's say through indexing -1 for last index, and I want to see its content. Let's say content. Now I control set these. So now let's run it. So after running, I get a response from here. The current weather in Pokhara is 25 degrees centigrade, and it is also giving me a follow-up question. If you need a forecast or more details, let me know. So we are receiving this through the OpenAI, but we can see that the AI agent is successful in retrieving the information of Pokhara. Thank you.